If you see some of my edits, I often use text in my edits. Besides the text animation, I also often add some effects to make the text less boring to look at. Okay, let's get straight to the point. Here, I will show you some text effects that I usually use to improve my text, of course in Alight Motion. It's not just one text effect, but there are 3 text effects that I will teach. So watch until the end. Let's get into the first text effect, glow effect. Glow effect is my favorite effect because we make the effect in Alight Motion. And in Alight Motion, in my opinion, there isn't an effect that can create a good glow effect. So I will show you the trick that I usually use. Okay, let's go to the project and add the layer text. After adding the text, go to Border and Shadow, activate the shadow, arrange the size to 50 or more if you don't feel enough, change the shadow color to white, and change the position to 0. After that, you can group the text and change it to white. For the second effect, colored glow. The basics of this effect are the same as the usual glow effect, but the difference is that it's combined with colors like solid or gradient colors. Let's just try it. In the previous text effect, change the color, for example, to yellow. After that, add the exposure/gamma effect. And adjust the exposure and offset. If you want to use a gradient, you can add the gradient overlay effect and create the effect above the exposure/gamma. Open the gradient overlay effect, set the alpha to 100%, and you can adjust the effect as you like. Let's move to the last effect, raise effect. This is my favorite effect because it's easy to make, but it's a bit heavy. Let's try it. Add the raise effect to your text. Set the length to 1, intensity to 2, threshold to 0, and quality to 100. If you want to add color or gradient, you can change it like before. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, you can type in the comments section or join my Discord server and ask me directly on Discord.